Master the complexities of modern hardware architecture and build a rock-solid foundation for your technical career. Elevate your skills beyond the simple circuitry and transition into a certified professional hardware technician. Reinforce your technical knowledge with 146 practice quizzes designed for mastery. Command 17 core chapters, 63 hands-on labs, and 56 distinct exam objectives with engineering precision. Navigate 17 comprehensive modules covering everything from advanced motherboard architecture to efficient power supply management. Master the art of precision troubleshooting to identify and resolve complex hardware failures with systematic logic. Maximize system performance by becoming an expert in component-level hardware configuration and seamless integration. Protect critical assets by implementing robust physical security standards across your entire hardware infrastructure. Achieve the global benchmark for excellence with a certification that validates your proficiency in IT. Accelerate your career trajectory with roles ranging from desktop support to advanced systems engineering. Begin your journey toward professional certification today and unlock your full potential for $279. Reach out to our support team at support@ucertify.com if you need any further assistance.